Hello guys, welcome back to the another video of iDempiere learning. In the previous few videos we have talked about model classes and model validators. Using model classes and model validator we can manipulate data on the tables. Okay, another option to manipulate data on the tables is event handler. Here you can see few information about event handler. Okay, event handler basically used to replace model validator and model validator interface. Okay, to create event handler we have to extend abstract event handler class. Okay, this class has two methods. One is a initialize and second one is a do handle event. Okay, initialize method is used to initialize our or register our table events. Okay, and do handle event class do handle event method is used to perform our business logic. Okay, so let's create our first event handler to manipulate data on the order. Okay, so let me create one plugin. Okay, go to file, new, other, and select plugin project. Give name of plugin project. I will give it like com.yt.order.event handler. Okay, let's use our location. Okay, and append our project name after location, and OSGI framework is Equinox. Okay, click on next. ID, version name, vendor name, and execution environment keep as a same. Okay, click on next and finish. Okay, our plugin for event handler has been created. Let's create a new package here. Okay, package created. Let's create class for our event handler. Okay, I will give name as order event handler. Okay, let's give required dependencies. Okay, first one is a base class and another dependency is a utils. Okay, dependency added. We have to tell this plugin is a singleton. We have to tick this flag. Okay, to use event handler. Okay, let's extend abstract class, abstract event handler class. Okay, and implement necessary methods. Okay, here you can see we have two methods. Okay, we have to add dependency for OSGI service event. Okay, OSGI service event. Okay, now you can see all errors gone. Let's register our table. Okay, register table event. Here we have to pass topic, that is I event topics dot po before change. Okay, we want to update some data on we want to update description on order when any change occur when any change in the existing order occurs. Okay, let's give our table name here, m order, okay, dot table name. Okay, let's register doc action event. Okay, I event topics dot, before we want to update some data on before doc prepare. Okay, doc underscore before prepare. Okay, let's pass table name same. Okay, so our initialization is done. Now let's perform business logic. Okay, to get PO we have one method here, get PO. Okay, we have to pass sorry, events here and PO. Okay, it will return our PO class. Okay, now let's get topic. Okay, event dot get topic. Okay, topic is like I event topics. Okay, what change occurs in the it defines what change occurs in the table. Okay, so let's create variable for that topic. Okay, now let's create our business logic. If table name dot equals m order, sorry, PO dot get table name. Okay, and topic we want is a equals I event topics before change. Okay, we want to update description on before change of any order. Okay, so let's convert our PO to m order object. Okay, m order equal to PO, and we have to cast this PO to m order. Okay, and we want to update description. Okay, order event handler on before change event. Okay, on before change event we have description updated. Okay, let's update our description on before prepare. Okay, let's copy this topic event topics and paste it here. Okay, topics equals this, then we have to update on before prepare event, sorry, prepare event. Okay, so looks like our order event handler has been created. All looks good now. So let's register this event handler with OSGI. For that we have to create our component definition first. Create one folder which is OSGI-INF and create component definition. Okay, component definition. Okay, I will give name as a order event handler, and will give order event handler class, and name of component definition is same as class name. Okay, component definition created. Let's add service.ranking property. Service.ranking integer and value is 4. Okay, now we have to register our iEvent manager here. Okay, so we have to pass service, that is iEvent manager, edit. We have to bind event manager and unbind event manager. Okay, so our component definition has been created, our class also created, component definition also created, and component definition has same class, and this plugin is singleton. Our dependency is also given. Okay, so looks good. Now let's add our plugin in the debug configuration and restart the server. Okay, so let me just activate this plugin. Okay, service.ranking event handler default auto start is true. Okay, apply, start debug, save, ignore this error. Okay, let's wait until server start. Okay, let's check if our event handler is registered or not, and on change order description added or not. Okay, okay, select role, login to gardenwood admin. Okay, let's copy and create our sales order, new sales order, and save. Okay, you can see description is not added yet. Let's update this sales order. Okay, and save. Here you can see our order event handler has been called, and description is appended. Okay, description added in the order on change of this order. Okay, now let's check on document change event. Okay, let's prepare it. First let's give one, let's create one order line, and let's give product name planting and save. Okay, let me prepare this order. Okay, you can see on before change event also called here, on before prepared event also called here. Okay, it appended our before prepare events. Okay, so our first event handler has been created and working well. Okay, so hope guys you like this video, and if you have any questions about event handler, you can write comment to this video, or you can email me. You can find my email on the channel page. Okay, so thank you, please subscribe the channel. Have a good day.